What's up, guys? It's Mountain Run time, and just filled up on some E85. Super cheap, $11 for 6 gallons. That was about half a tank, but well filled. Time to go hit the mountain. Tell you guys about it more. We're about to go on the mountains.
Oh, God.
We're going to go on the mountains with all these guys. All my Mustang friends. And yeah, we're going to go rip it up. Show you guys some footage of some mountain footage. right, guys, the mountain run is coming to a conclusion because E85 ran out. But all my amazing Mustang guys, you know, they're gonna still continue to run or whatever with all they fast cars and shit. They get to run 93. I don't get to run 93, unfortunately. Badass. That's a GT500. That thing is ridiculous. You guys saw the cut-ups on the mountains. It's sick out here, but you know, got this one. But unfortunately, out of E85, so I got enough E85 to get back to the next gas station. See you guys in a few. So apparently I'm about hour and a half from Taylor to Dragon, and we got a bunch of shoes in this tree at this rest stop. And what it's all about is people actually just stop and they stop hiking, they give up, and they throw their shoes up there. But got the bikers down there. It's time for me to get back in the car and head back down the hill. But it was definitely a blast coming up here. Lots of windy winds, lots of turns. See you guys back at the garage. All right, guys, so that wraps it up for you know, a nice mountain run day today with the Mustang boys. They had some pretty cool Mustangs, Kyle and the rest of the gang. But you know, this animal here is clean. You know, washed it up because it was mighty dirty. Just washed it up. It's all clean. Everything looked fresh again and stuff. It's been a long day, but tomorrow's another long day because it's caffeine. I want to say caffeine and octane, cars and coffee, whatever you want to call it. I got to get up at 7 o'clock on a Sunday morning. So that's going to be fun too. But, you know, this wraps it up for this video, guys. Thank you for, you know, just following, watching my videos, liking and subscribing. Until next time, guys. Peace.